Good evening and welcome. Straight into our headline story. Georgia tonight, NATO out. Pax Armada in.
Is the NATO alliance shifting to a new position?
Or is NATO collapsing?
Pax Armada's peaceful expansion ends.
What comes next?
It's not diplomacy.
On the ridge line, that is not out.
Ordering us to leave the area.
NATO's Secretary General called for calm dialogue.
Pax Armada. Force is how we keep the peace.
Hours left.
In what some are calling a prelude.
If Georgia is just the start, where does this end?
Bad guys in arm's reach, and they're redeploying us.
Murphy! Regional Command's got an update, boss.
Too bad it's not going to be go kick those Pax Armada shitheads off our doorstep.
Pax isn't the enemy. Read your briefings.
Well, then Command should find us an enemy. You backing servers isn't word for raiders?
Offensive cyber capabilities, Blake. SAP level shit. And if you read as much as Martinez, you'd stop bitching about the wrong Georgia. Let's see what Command's got. Anyone forget their dinosaur?
Yo, this is BS. We build up all these cyber defenses, then Georgia says, ship out. We're giving the base to Pax Armada. And NATO just rolls over?
That's politics. NATO's not up to a fight with the worst PMC in Europe.
We are. Tag us in.
Look, I'd love to teach Pax a lesson. But if staying here might kick off World War III, I don't want it that bad.
Well, maybe Command's got a plan.
Take cover! Defensive positions locked down! Against heavy fire. We regroup there. Go! Buy ourselves some time. Let's get inside. I'm okay.
Tiger's a no-go, but we got a ride!
That Berkeley?
You good, Murphy?
Good enough. All right. Pax is focused on the base, but our mission hasn't changed. We protect those servers. We gotta secure Site 2 before Pax takes control.
Shooting our way out!
Guns up! Targets on both sides!
Checkpoint's just up ahead.
Jackson, come in.
This is Master. What's happening? Can't raise the commander.
I need you and your snipers to reposition above Site 2 and run Overwatch.
Copy, Tempest.
Lightning, this is Tempest Actual. Stand by for a precision strike. We can still get a win.
Caution, Tempest. We're seeing armored vehicles ahead of you.
Oh, fuck! Berkeley, take us off-road!
This thing sounds like hell!
It'll get us there.
And if Pax is listening, we may as well be shooting an air horn.
Okay, drop us here.
We see you. We're at the overlook up ahead.
Berkeley, I need you to look for more survivors.
Copy that. As long as this heat holds together.
Adios. Good luck.
Glad you guys made it.
Likewise, Jackson. How we looking?
Pax artillery and vehicles below. Lightning is slowing down Pax reinforcements, but they got a window to give us air support. You're JTAC current, huh?
You know it. Let's get him away from our servers. You got a laser designator ready to go? All right. Their turn for a surprise attack. Lightning 1, this is Tempest Actual. Target's in place for attack aviation. Over.
Copy.
Laser on. Lasing.
Staring now. Staring captured. Confirm no friendlies in target area.
Confirmed. Fire mission when ready. Over.
Launching now.
Lightning 1, do you read? Lightning 1!
They're gone, Martinez.
Jets. Someone sold them jets.
Jackson, give us some cover. We're headed to Site 2.
We are?
We can't evac the servers under that kind of fire, and we can't let Pax capture them. So we destroy those servers before they compromise NATO.
Holy shit.
We've got enough C4 to take out Site 2 and leave Pax swinging in the wind. Any input?
It's a plan.
It's the perfect plan. Because win or lose, Murph's in the shit for coming up with it.
Weapons free! Hostiles closing in on Site 2! Need a reload! Frag out!
Enemy vehicles in sight.
They want this place bad! Duke 1-1, this is Tempest. We'll need evac soon from Site 2.
Copy that, Tempest. Need to circle to evade enemy aircraft.
Copy. Approach when able.
We got tangos down below.
Sending frag!
Pax tried to block the entrance.
Not much of a try.
I got you, boss.
Clear inside.
Can't believe they were still building this place.
Heard the CIA acting for an extension.
Okay. No telling what's in here.
No movement.
Lights on. Stay alert.
The commander said Pax was preparing to take control, not rolling in an armored division.
Hey, not here. They must have been working on the server evac. Pax got the jump on them. Move up. Pax got ahead of us.
Where's the other server? Target behind cover!
Need to reload!
Bastards were settling in.
Gotta hurry. C4 on those support pillars should bring the whole place down. We need more C4. Let's head up.
Copy.
This is Duke 1-1 to Tempest Actual. Looks clear. Closing in on top 2.
Copy that, Duke 1-1. Meet us on the roof.
Watch your heads.
Covering you.
Jackson and Tempest, got eyes on Site 2. Pax route forces are forming up. Clear! Clear this side.
More support pillars. Wire them up.
Copy that.
Let's get to the roof for revac, then blow this place.
Spotted Pax setting a rappel line in the elevator shaft.
We'll take it.
Hey, you good to repel, Armstrong?
Anything you could do, I could do.
Jackson, are your people close?
We'll chase the evac, but it's gonna be tight.
Secure yourselves, Tempest.
Clear ahead! Clear! Tempest, you got Pax reinforcements on ascent. They're wise to us. Can't get them all.
Copy that. Evac's coming in. We'll hold them off.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Murphy. You gonna make us look like heroes?
I won't tell if you don't. Tempest, ready up!
Over there! Track down! Marines! Weapons free!
Gotta get moving!
Let's go!
Sniper eliminated!
More incoming!
Need patching up!
11 o'clock! Sniper! Close range! Elevated position!
You're a lifesaver!
11 o'clock!
Provide cover fire! Reloading!
Top side!
Sniper eliminated!
Evac's coming!
We're not done! Stay focused!
I got a breather, but not much.
Reloading! Let's go, Marines! That C4's still hot!
We're out of time!
So were they.
Fuck yeah! Woo! Got him! Holy shit!
Think they'll bill me for those servers?
Keep adding zeros. survive shit. What kind of deck advantage is worth that? No, we're missing something.
NATO has to set us loose on this. Find some answers.
NATO's losing allies by the day, Murphy. If we got the truth, would they want to hear it? It's locked, defended! No, we made it!
Hold on!
Aircraft's in a span losing altitude. 241 is hit. In a span, can't recover. 241 is going down. Mayday, mayday! Ready for impact!
Blake, you okay?
I can still shoot.
Armstrong, Martinez.
Think my leg's broke, but I'm still here.
Armstrong, come on, buddy.
Did we get clear?
We got incoming.
Oh, fuck, they're cutting us off.
This is Tempest 1-2 actual. Any friendlies in range? We need immediate evac. Any station.
Murph, what's the plan?
Unconquerable spirit. They gave us that motto for a reason. This is it. I'm going down fighting. Watch each other's backs. No matter how it ends. It's been an honor. We still faithful?
Always.
On my lead. Get ready to fend. Let's give them hell. Martinez!
Oh, shit! Fuck!
Make them work for it!
Fuck this.
And fuck you! No!
Damn it!
Don't retreat! Hold fast! Travis! No! No, you're okay! It's like before! Blake, Martinez. I'm on your 6, guys. Wait for me. Hey. We gotta go. You all right?
Let's go! Let's go!
You're safe now. No one else made it out?
It was just me. Just me.